Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. Today I will show you how to create a chart with four set of data. First of all, select answer, then go to insert menu, recommended chart, all chart, select your chart template. I select this on, then OK, and select data or double click the chart, right click mouse, select data, add series name. Example, I select series name this B and again add series name C, again D, OK, edit, then OK. We can see this for set data. Go to quick layout, I select this layout, add chart element, I select the chart style. OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.